Andito pa rin tayo sa Don Mariano Marcos Memorial State University, dito po sa Bacnotan Campus dito sa La Union. This time, ang pag-uusapan naman natin sa bagong series ay sericulture o yung pag-aalaga ng silkworm na ginagawang thread na nagiging silk fabric. Ito ay napakalaking industry at napakalaki pa rin po ng potential para dito sa Pilipinas. At ngayon, nakikita nyo dun sa background, nandyan yung mulberry farm. Lately, sumikat ang mulberry na para sa fruit at nagkaroon na maraming nagtatanim ng mulberry para for that purposes at hina-harvest yun para sa agritourism. But magugulat kayo, talaga ang main purpose talaga ng mulberry noon pa ay para i-grow, para ipakain sa silkworm na nagiging eventually ay silk fabric. Alright, puntahan natin. Available na po ang agribusiness merch sa Shopee. Ang link nasa description box.
Dito muna tayo sa mulberry.
Mulberry muna, ma'am.
Tapos, uunahin natin yung silkworm eggs.
Mulberry po muna, ma'am.
Sige, dito.
Sa farming muna.
Sa farming muna tayo. Sige po.
Ano yung grainage?
Drainage, dyan po nagpapaitlog, sir. At saka dyan po yung pinag-aasawa yung moth bago sila mangitlog. Then, pag nangitlog na, yung iba, sir, ini-store sa cold storage. Para pag kailangan na na magpa-hatch ng silkworm, doon nila iyan.
So, na-store siya.
Oo po.
Nagiging butterfly din po ba ito?
Nagiging moth po.
Hindi butterfly.
Yes po. Ang Christy din po.
Hello, ma'am.
Si Ma'am Josie.
Ayan,
Si Sir Buddy.
Hello, ma'am.
Ano sir? Anong kan natin?
Doon na po, magdi-discuss po tayo about mulberry production or mulberry farming specifically for silkworm. Pero doon na tayo sa field kasi ang parang discussion natin ay free-flowing eh. Makikita natin yung mga silk fabric.
Silk fabric, opo, yun yung
Later.
po yung pinakalas.
Last
Pero yung
natin.
mga silkworms, andyan po.
Sige
Yan
po.
yun po yung mga silkworm na sinasabi ni ma'am na i-deliver sa mga
Farmers, Gano'ng kamahal yung silk fabric?
Ngayon na, sir,
1,000?
1,600.
Kasi totoo yan. Yung mga nasa Divisoria, ano na yan, hindi totoo yun.
3 meters yun, so 4 times.
Yan yung pure silk kasi.
4.8 yung pang isang barong.
Mura na.
Bumili ako ng 3.
Ganda ng barong mo, sir.
Birthday!
Anong design yun, sir?
Yung bago ni
Yung si
Ma'am.
Bongbong?
Hindi.
O yung si Kwan?
Yung bago raw na
Yung bago na
RPO niya na design. Inawitan ko yun, ha?
Maganda.
Talaga po.
Oo. Iisa pa lang yun. Original.
Sino po ang kakabitan ko ng microphone? Okay. It's okay, ma'am. No problem.
Anyway, you will not sing.
Basta expert.
Educated voice than me. Si Ma'am Marlene po.
Hello, ma'am.
Nag-training din yan sa inyo.
Okay.
Very you're done.
Ano daw, ma'am? Dadaanin daw sa seniority.
May we know the group.
Ma'am, I'm bodyguard sa inyo po.
So you are the head of the blogger?
Yes po. Apo. Ayan. Ma'am Marlene, kapitan na kita, ha?
First time in my life.
Wow! First time.
There is money in vlogging.
Oh? Ganun ba?
Oo sir, di ba?
Yung mga mayayabang na vloggers lang yun.
And Anyway, very useful naman ang i-vlog nyo.
Apa.
So, anong
Saan tayo mag-start,
uunahin?
ma'am?
Sapling?
Sampling. Okay. Okay. Ma'am Merly?
Oh, yes, sir.
Ma'am Merly, bigyan lang tayo ng konting introduction. Ano po yung buong pangalan ninyo, position, at ano yung
So,
research?
I'm Merlita Ida Kayanan, a University Researcher of the Sericulture Research Development Institute. I've been assigned as researcher in the Mulberry Breeding and Improvement Unit.
Wow, grabe. Matagal na kayo dito, ma'am.
About to retire na, sir.
So, ilang taon na? Kailan kayo nag-start dito? Anong year yon?
I started here 1988 as
1988.
contractual.
Oh, talaga? Kasi
Oo, sir.
nakailang years ka? 40
61
years?
years na ako, sir.
Wow.
MC62 na
So, kayo ang
ako.
pinaka-expert sa mulberry.
Because, sir, I was trained in India for 14 months.
Wow.
14 months.
When was that, ma'am?
October 16, 1990. December.
1990.
And then 1991, I ended my training 1991.
Batang-bata
December.
pa kayo noon.
28 na ako, sir, noon.
Noon. Sige, bigyan natin ng idea yung audience natin. Kasi ngayon, yung mga bagong generation ngayon, ang nakikita ng lambalberry ay yung pinipitas nila, kinakain nila, at ginagamit ng mga pang-agritourism, no? But maraming hindi
Ay,
nakakaalam.
yung picking ng fruits.
Yes, hindi nila alam na ang mas malaking purpose ng mulberry ay yung ipapakain siya sa silkworm. Yan. Okay. So, ang pag-aaralan natin ngayon ay paano mag-select ng gagawing planting material. Yan ba, ma'am?
Oo, sir.
Okay. Okay.
So, mulberry is being propagated through cuttings.
Cuttings.
So, this is the branch.
Ito na yan.
This is the branch.
Okay.
If we will cut here,
Dito.
and then at this point,
Mm.
and then we will consider 3 to 4 buds. So, this will be 1, 2, 3. Very near naman.
Oo.
So, we can make it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will cut here.
Okay.
So, from this point, we will cut. And then, at this point,
Dito.
we will cut.
So, that's
we
one
will,
planting material.
yeah, we call it as cutting.
Cuttings. Okay.
Yes,
So,
sir.
ilang cuttings po ang magagamit natin from this branch?
So, if we will estimate it,
1,
1,
2,
2, 3,
3,
4,
4, 5,
6,
7,
7, 8,
8,
8, sir.
hanggang 8. This is
Pero
too young.
Pwede na rin ito, sir.
Pwede pa rin yan.
9. And then,
Mm.
in a cutting,
Mm-mm.
the topmost cutting should be viable.
What do you mean, ma'am?
Maganda yung itsura na hindi siya,
Ito.
oo, hindi siya damage.
Oh.
Kasi this is the portion it will be sprouting.
Oo.
And this one, oh may tawag.
Sige, ma'am. Baka pagkakapirahan natin yan.
Ay,
Kami lang, in-search lang sa...
So, sabi ni ma'am, ang titingnan natin yung bud. At least 3 buds in 1 cuttings. But, since malalapit yung buds, nag-decide siya na gawing 6 na buds para mas mahaba yung cuttings. Yan. Okay, so pipili ng maganda, maganda yung bud.
and
yung
then
healthy.
this branch is very ideal for production of saplings now because the size is almost a pencil size.
Oh, dapat pencil
Oo,
size.
hindi yung gaya. Pero that one, bigger na ka-size sa
Ito.
pencil. Pwede
Oh.
pa rin yan.
Pwede pa.
Because we have to consider it that the age of the branches should be at least 6 to 8 months old ang mga branches na to.
Branches.
6 to 8 months.
Okay.
And then there are varieties that, we have so many varieties.
Mm.
And each variety has a distinct character wherein these are the buds.
Mm-mm.
And we call it, these are the distance, the
Okay.
internodal. Some are very near. We call that now short.
Oo.
Short ang internodal distance niya. Di ba, sir?
Mm-mm.
From that bud to that bud,
Masyado maikse.
maiksi.
But this branch, kagaya nito, mas
At the
malalayo.
middle na, sir, medyo mas malalayo na.
Oo.
And then at the top portion,
Oh,
medyo
short ulit.
short ulit. Di ba, sir? So, in a plant, the more branches,
Mm.
the more cuttings you can get for sapling production.
I see. Sapling ang tawag doon
Sapling ang tawag doon sa na-propagate from cuttings.
Ah,
And then not
okay.
only cuttings, through cuttings, we can also propagate mulberry through seeds.
True seeds din, yung bunga.
Ito
But this, mas matagal to.
matagal, sir. Kasi kwan pa ito. Pag nag-block ito, you can now extract the wala
Seeds.
kasing merong bang kwan dyan, crystalline, yung black
Ito, mama.
where we can extract some seeds.
Ito. Mm.
Ay, wala. Walang nabuo, nabuo na seeds.
Walang nabuo na seeds.
Hindi siya.
Sige, ma'am. Later, ano yun natin. Okay, ma'am. What's the advantage ng
Sapling.
sapling?
Ay, cuttings.
Cuttings compared to seeds.
Etong cuttings na to,
Mm.
pag pinopagate mo to, it is now true to type.
Mm.
Kaya yung mapuproduce mo na sapling,
Mm-mm.
parehas nitong stock plant. Yung seeds naman, sir, kasi ang mulberry is pollinated through wind.
Okay.
Parang maihangin lang yung kwan. Kasi ang mulberry natin, sir,
Mm.
merong specific babae lang.
Oh.
Merong specific naman na
lalaki, lang.
lalaki. I cannot show you here. Male.
Mm-mm.
Somewhere maybe there.
So, pag nagtanim ka ng true yung fruit, meaning that could be a new species of plant.
Yeah. You can generate another variety.
Another variety.
And then, if you the extracted seeds here, if you will what do you call daw? You sow the seeds,
Mm.
it will grow for almost 1 year.
1 year.
Before you can, after growing it in 1 year,
Mm.
you must have to propagate the cuttings.
Doon
Kung
ka palang magka-cuttings.
Oo, sir. Kaya matagal ang through seeds.
Siguro maganda yung seeds if you are developing a new variety.
Yes, sir.
Pero kung
Oo.
ang
And then
purpose
you
mo
can
ay
develop by matagal ding process, sir.
Mm.
You kasi in each maybe this one fruit,
Mm.
we call this as sorosis.
cirrhosis.
In one fruit, yung isang ganyan niya,
Mm.
akens,
Mm.
may seeds yan kung may seeds, kung
Okay.
pollinated siya.
Okay.
So that is if you sow that seed, that is another
Variety.
And these are parang iba na yung morphological characteristic niya, pero yung mother plant niya, they have the same mother plant.
Mm.
It was only pollinated through wind. Parang
Okay.
yung pollen grains from the male parent, parang na-pollinate ito. Kasi ganito, sir, yung kwan.
Mm.
Ganito yung ipopollinate natin. Pag hybridization. Pero pag natural pollination, let it be there. Let it be pollinated through wind
Mm.
from pollen sources na, say for example, if there is a male parent there, male mulberry plant,
Mm.
the pollen grains from that male mulberry plant, it will be pollinated here through wind.
Mm.
So after that, if you will harvest this, you extract the seeds, you sow the seeds. Maraming kanyan, maraming parang variations
Iba-iba.
na. Iba-iba na ang itsura nila. Pero they have the same mother plant.
Yeah. So ang mulberry pala ay hindi siya yung kagaya ng ibang plant na may male, may female siya. Hindi, walang ganon.
Meron, sir. Ang mulberry ganito.
Mm.
Ito, female variety.
Mm.
Wala kasi ditong male.
Ibig sabihin, for one plant, Pag female, female lang
Oo,
talaga siya.
sir. Pero merong plant na may male dyan, may female din dito.
mayroon din.
So we call that as monoecious.
Okay.
And then we call this the dioecious female. We call it the dioecious male also.
Okay.
I cannot see male variety here.
Walang male variety dito?
Oo. Sa baba.
Okay. Kasi mahabang discussion yan, yung hybridization.
Mahaba, sir.
Okay, mahaba.
Kasi in a Japanese style of breeding, even 20 years, you can develop a variety of a good quality of mulberry. Kasi you have to consider this, the quality of the leaf.
Okay.
How is this palatable to the silkworm? Gustong-gusto
Okay.
ba ito ng silkworm? Lahat ng mulberry, kinakain ng silkworm.
Okay.
Pero there are varieties na talagang
Paboritong
maganda
paborito niya.
Masarap ito sa silkworm. Parang palatable nga siya. Talagang mas prefer nila yung variety na yon because of the quality.
Yeah.
Kasi merong mga dahon na makapal. Pag makapal ito, it means mas mataas ang... Kasi may mga varieties din na manipis ang dahon. Meron ding makapal. And then yung makapal, nakaka-retain ng moisture na matagal. Kasi once pag pinakain mo na ito sa silkworm, there is a tendency na kasi open na to, madidehydrate. Kasi yung madaling ma-dehydrate na dahon, lalo na pag summer,
Hindi na niya kakainin.
arang mas prefer na niya yung mas fresher.
Oo.
Kaya we have to feed the silkworm 4 times a day.
Bago ng bago.
Bago ng
So yung
bago.
papakain mo, ibig sabihin, bagong harvest lagi.
Hindi naman, sir. We can harvest early in the morning. We have to harvest it for 4 times feeding. Say for example,
Ah,
nag-harvest ka ngayon. Ipapakain mo ngayon sa 9, and then 1, and then sa gabi, and then sa morning the following day. So you have to harvest leaves good for 4 feedings.
Feedings. Okay.
Then,
Ma'am, so...
para i-preserve naman yun eh. Kasi mahirap mag-harvest ng dahon ng hapon.
Nang lagi. Okay. So, since mahabang usapin yung hybridization,
Wag
ang
na natin
pag-create
pag-
na,
Oo.
saka na natin siguro, ma'am, pag
Oo.
friend na tayo lagi.
Oo. Ito na lang, sir. Sir, puntahan na lang natin
Concentrate
yung...
tayo ngayon dito sa cuttings.
Oo, sir.
Okay, ma'am. So, can we demo yung actual pag-cut? Nagbebenta rin kayo ng cuttings?
Oo, ma'am.
Magkano
Ay, oo,
ang
sir.
cuttings?
Magkano na bang benta? 5 pesos? Ay, 5
5
pesos.
pesos.
Yung last ko na bumili yung si Ishibashi, yung cuttings noon, dinala doon sa Mountain Province. 5
Pick
or
up
6.
price.
Yes po.
5 pesos.
5 pesos.
Ilang
Buhay na po yun.
ilang
Hindi
months
pa
na
po,
yun?
yung itatanim pa lang.
Cuttings lang
Pero
talaga.
kung sapling po, yun
Kasi,
ang
sir,
15 pesos.
pag sinabi mong sapling,
Yung
Buhay
that
na.
is ready for
rooted na yun.
rooted na yun. It's now ready for planting.
Oo.
Pag cuttings, i-propagate po pa yan ng for almost 6 months.
Saplings ka na lang.
Magsapling ka na lang.
Samplings ka na lang. Oh.
Bili ka na lang ng
Sure
sapling.
na mabubuhay na yan.
Bili ka na ng saplings. Kasi we are helping farmers, extending technology sa farmers through providing them with saplings na. Hindi na sila ang magpro-propagate kasi yung technical...
Baka mamatay din. Di sayang yung 5 pesos.
Kasi there are certain varieties na mahirap buhayin. Mabagal magkaroon ng roots. And then there's a tendency na kasi once na nauna yung shoots, wala pang roots. Maramihan yun, sir. Ang survival lower. Oo. Kaya dapat
Roots muna.
roots. Maganda ang roots. Yung madaling...
ng rooting
Oo, sir.
medium.
Oo.
hormone.
Ana.
Rooting
We have developed that ana. We are using it is 2,000 ppm.
parts per
Million. For 1 liter, sir.
Okay. So, this time, magde-demo na tayo. Anong ang i-demo natin,
Saan na
ma'am?
yung dinidemo natin? Kanina? Ayun.
Ito.
So, we will first prune.
Mm.
Pruning of the branches. Hindi natin isasagad, sir, dito kasi pag sinagad na natin dito, wala nang mag-i-sprout for this plant. So,
I see.
we can leave these buds.
Mag-iwan ka ng bud sa kanya.
Oo, sir. Para naman, meron
Yan.
naman siyang dahon na magpo-photosynthesis for this plant. Kasi,
Oo.
pero meron ding tutubo dito, pero mas magandang mag-iwan.
Para
Ganyan.
mabilis na siya.
Oo, sir.
Okay.
So, this is 1, 2. Di masyadong malapit, sir. Ano?
Okay. 1, 2, 3,
4.
4, 5.
Pwede rin, sir, dito. Or dito na lang.
Okay. Okay, nakita nyo, paslant.
Pa-slant. Why? Why?
Mm.
Kasi, para umulan, pag umuulan,
Tutulo lang.
magkukuan lang yung tubig dyan pag ganyan.
Oo, tutulo. Hindi
And
papasok
then,
sa loob.
karamihan
Okay.
dito naman, hindi siya slant. Kaya pag talagang, if you follow the proper technique talaga,
So, ito, tanggalin mo rin to.
oh, sir,
Kasi hindi rin lang magro-roots yan.
ganyan din. 1,
So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, pwede rin yan. Pwede rin yan. Yan, islat din natin.
Yan. So, meron
Pero
na tayo.
sir, dapat ito, anong tawag dito? Yung sharp.
Oo.
Kasi there's a tendency na magka-bark peeling.
Oo.
Magaganyan
Mamamatay
siya.
yan.
Madadamage yung ganyan niya.
Mm-mm.
Kasi dito siya mag-root.
Okay.
Kasi pag hindi ito sharp, there's a tendency of peeling of the bark.
Yan.
Parang ganyan.
Okay.
So,
Sige ma'am, tanggalin natin to.
tanggalin
Tapusin na natin
ulit.
to.
Ayan,
1, 2, 3,
4,
4, 5.
Slant ulit.
Yan. Tanggal.
Ayan.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Malapit na, no, sir?
Mm-mm.
Konting alis na lang siguro to.
Yan.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ayan, medyo lumayo na.
Sige ma'am. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Kasi matured naman na to, pwede pa to, sir.
Pwede pa 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hanggang dyan
So,
na lang.
We have produced 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Ngayon, ito ma'am, pwedeng ito ipakain.
Oo. Ng kambing.
Hindi mo ipapakain sa silkworm ta.
Kasi pag walang nakataon naman na silkworm rearing, sir, hindi mo rin. Kasi these are good for the newly brushed.
Okay, para
Kasi
sa mga...
the younger the worms, the younger are
younger
the
the
leaves
leaves.
for feeding.
Okay.
So ang harvesting, you have to start at the top. Pababa.
Pababa.
Hindi ka umpisa dito, sir, na mag-harvest.
Oo.
Kasi the leaves were already harvested. So wala na kayong makikitang dahon.
Oo, kaya pala ganon.
Oh. This plantation was already used for their silkworm rearing. Kaya pag mag-harvest ka, sir, magkunwari yung bagong pisa na silkworm eggs.
Oo.
Ito yung pinakayang.
Yan ang kakainin niya.
Ito yung i-harvest nila.
Mm.
The same through all the plants.
Oo.
Ganyan.
Yun ang kakainin nila.
Kakainin.
Okay ma'am, since nakagawa na tayo ng cuttings, ang next step natin ay magtatanim ba tayo?
I-incubate.
Mag-incubate tayo.
Oo, sir.
Paano mag-incubate? I-describe mo na lang ma'am.
Sige.
Describe mo na, imagine na lang nila. Oh.
After preparing the cuttings,
Mm.
first, before incubation, we must disinfect this with fungicide.
Ito.
No, sir. Solution.
Ibabad?
Hindi, sir. I-kun lang. Parang i-dip lang.
I-dip lang siya.
Oo.
Okay.
Para ma-disinfect siya.
Anong klaseng fungicide?
Yung mga kwan, sir, yung brand ang gusto mo, sir? Basta
Hindi
fungicide.
naman. Basta fungicide lang?
Oo, fungicide lang.
Okay. Ano po ang mixture nun?
I-follow na lang natin doon,
Yung
sir,
label.
sa kwan. Yung cuttings. Yung grape. May grape yata doon sa label.
Kung ano yung sa grapes?
Kasi hindi ko kabisado yung for every 16 liters yata. Parang 16 liters.
So, yung instruction naman dun sa label.
Oo, sir, meron.
Oo.
You
Yun
can
na lang.
follow this, the solution for the grapes.
For the grapes. So, yung
Oo.
mga...
Pwede, sir.
Pwede yun.
Oo.
Yun na lang gagamitin nila.
And then after disinfecting this with fungicide, we will now incubate this.
Paano mag-incubate?
Kwan, sir, doon sa lilim na place.
Okay.
Lilim na place na
So, gagawa
hindi
ka ng
naman
bed?
siya, hindi naman, sir. Parang it's appropriate place lang for incubation na hindi siya naaarawan
Okay.
sa lilim. And then we can cover it with rice hay, dried banana leaves, even with cloth.
Okay.
And then sprinkle this with water every day na hindi naman yung talagang kwan na, sir, na para kang
Basang-basa.
nagdidilig, basang-basa.
Mist lang.
Oo, mist lang. Para mabasa lang yung cover na cloth or yung dried leaves.
So,
Para hindi siya ma-dehydrate.
okay, ma'am. Sa halimbawa, lupa.
Oo.
Nasa ilalim ka ng puno.
Oo.
So, i-cultivate mo ba yung lupa
Hindi
na
na,
yan?
sir.
Hindi
Basta
na?
malinis.
Basta malinis lang.
Oo.
And
Ang
then,
maganda pa, sir, you can sprinkle with that fungicide solution.
Yung
Para
lupa.
yung lupa.
and then,
Para
itatanim mo siya doon.
hindi, sir. Parang ilagay mo na lang na ganyan kahit mga...
Nakapatong lang.
Oo.
Nakahiga?
Oo,
Nakatayo?
nakahiga pwede, sir.
Okay. Tapos takpan mo
Takpan ng
ng dayami.
dried banana leaves or
dried
wet
banana
cloth.
leaves, cloth.
Oo.
Tapos
Mist lang,
sprinkler.
sir, kasi pag
Mist lang.
Oo. Kasi pag yung para ka naman nagdidilig, may tendency na
Magraten naman.
magraten ito. Oo, sir.
Okay.
Kaya mas maganda kahit kwan, sir, yung before yung cuttings dapat lagyan mo na lang ng kwan. You sprinkle the soil, yung napili mo ng place, and then you put yung pangko-cover mo sana, sir, yung banana leaves. Para hindi siya direct contact with the soil.
Ano yun? Dried or...
Preferably, sir, dried. Mas maganda dried banana. Pag banana leaves, mas maganda dried.
Okay. Gaano pag normally anong tawag sa term na yan, ma'am?
Incubation.
Incubation. Pag nag-incubate ka, how many cuttings ang linalagay mo? Sa
Yung
inyo,
kwan, sir,
sa research.
Sa research namin, sir,
Oh.
kahit kwan, sir, kahit 500 per...
Isang ganyan,
Oo,
500 na
oo,
cuttings.
kahit 1,000.
Kahit 1,000.
Oo.
Gaano ho siya katagal doon?
5
5
days kami nag-incubate.
And then, may tutubo na?
Hindi, sir. You can observe after 5 days of incubation, the buds are swelling. Nagsuswell na to.
magsuswell.
And then, nagto-turn ito inang green. Parang sa rice, parang nakuha na siya na
Bumlad.
bumlad. Bumlad na gito'y mata na, sir. Oo. Kasi pag kunwari, nag-cut na tayo ngayon. Meron na tayong cuttings.
Okay.
Tinanim natin kaagad doon sa nursery beds for sapling production na. Mas marami time siyang ma-dehydrate doon.
I see.
Para ma-enhance yung yung pag-sprout nito, dapat
Incubate muna.
oo,
talaga.
incubate muna.
Okay.
Magkukuan muna yung bud
5 days.
5 days.
Ano yan, ma'am? Pag pinatong mo yan, lahat sila nakaside sa lupa or kahit patong-patong sila doon?
Kahit patong-patong, sir.
Walang problema
Walang
doon.
problema.
Okay. Okay,
Pero
so...
sir, mas maganda yun na before the cuttings will be put, dapat may kwan din. Yung, say for example, if you will use dried banana leaves, para siya hindi direct contact with the soil, baka there's a tendency na yung soil na yun, these cuttings will be infected with fungus.
So, lagyan mo rin ng
Sir, mas
ng
maganda.
banana leaves muna, then then itong cuttings, then banana leaves ulit. 5 days.
5 days.
5 days magsuswell. And then that's the time, the signal na pwede na siyang ilagay doon sa bed.
Oo.
Seedbed.
Our experience with Crystalline, our nursery research, merong variety na you are still in the process of incubation. You can now you see maliliit
Roots.
na roots na.
Nagro-roots na.
Kaya yun ay talagang magandang variety in terms of rooting performance. Madali siyang magkaroon ng roots.
Okay. So, may makapapakita ba tayo ngayon na seedbed?
Seedbed, sir. Ay, andyan, sir.
Punta natin.
Pero maliit lang, sir, Hindi yun maramihan.
Okay lang, basta makita lang nila. Once na nabuhay na siya, it called sapling.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Pag
This
prinun mo
because-
from the plant,
These are the cuttings.
cuttings.
This is our newly established mulberry
Ah.
farm. This is 6 months old, last
Baka-
January 4.
Sobrang dense na yung distances.
Yes, sir.
Parang
That is,
1 feet, 1 foot.
No, sir. 0.5 meter between plants and 1.5 between rows. We call this rows.
Yes, rows.
So, between plants, that is 0.5 meter.
0.5.
Yes, sir. This is 6 months old, last January 4.
Ah.
It is now ready for feeding silkworm.
So, pwede na tong harvestan ng dahon.
Oo. Pero yung iba, sir,
Mm.
kasi at farmer's level, at
Mm.
6 months old, they should now be used for feeding their silkworm.
Okay.
But the usual practice is para hindi makwan yung growth ng mulberry,
Palalakin muna.
they should be 1 year old before pruning.
This is the perfect height.
Lalaki pa yan, sir.
I mean, yung ready for pruning.
Sir, first pruning will be done here after 1 year pa.
Dito.
Sa July pa siya. Oo, sir. So, pag prunun namin ito, this will be from this
Mm.
point of growth.
Mm-mm.
You see, sir, these are now the cuttings. Yun
Ayan, ito yung original.
Ito yung cuttings na noon.
Oo.
Ito na siya.
Mm-mm.
Ito, tignan mo, sir, ito na yung cuttings.
Mm-mm.
Yan na yung cuttings. And then, nag-sprout na siya from this height.
Okay, ang ikakat mo dito after a year ay hanggang saan
0.5.
po?
0.5 meters.
Dito lang.
Yung measurement ng 0.5.
Okay,
0.5 meter.
dito lang.
Yan.
So ito, yung dahon, pampakain, and pwedeng mo na rin gawing another planting material.
Pwede
Ito
naman
po.
na, sir, kasi
Pwede
1
na
year
naman.
na. Oo. 1 year naman na siya. Pwede. So, sir, andito yung...
Okay,
So, ito, sir, na plantation is composed of 3 varieties.
3 varieties.
This is the ALF 58. We have developed this with
Kayo
crystalline
nag-develop nito.
through hybridization. Yung
Wow.
sinabi ko sa inyo, sir.
Galing nila, ma'am. Grabe. So, anong advantage nitong variety na to? Available na po ang Agribusiness merch sa Shopee. Ang link nasa description box. Agribusiness, how it works. Instruct, inspire, succeed.